stereo.
Only the hits on Hits, Malaysia's #1 hit station.
Two kids with their hearts on fire. Who's gonna save us now? When we thought that we couldn't get higher, things started looking down. I look at you and you look at me like nothing but strangers now. Two kids with their hearts on fire. Don't let it burn us out. Think about what you believe in now. Am I someone you cannot live without? 'Cause I know I don't wanna live without you. Yeah, come on, let's turn this all around. Bring it all back to the bar downtown when you wouldn't let me walk out on you. Yeah, you said, hey, what you doing for the rest of your life? And I said, I don't even know what I'm doing tonight. Went from one conversation to your lips on mine. And you said, I never regret it until I called you mine. So I call you mine. Broke kids running through the city, drunk on the subway train. Set free every time you kissed me, we couldn't feel no pain. You looked at me and I looked at you like we never look away. Broke kids running through the city, don't let the memory fade. You said, hey, what you doing for the rest of your life? And I said, I don't even know what I'm doing tonight. Went from one conversation to your lips on mine. And you said, I never regret it until I called you mine. So I call you mine.
Oh, very heavy reading. Wow. Wow, very heavy reading.
Went from one conversation to your lips on mine. And you said, I called you mine. So I call you mine.
It's days with Toon Talk. Switch to Toon Talk and get 70 GB data plan for only 48 ringgit per month.
It's Malaysia's #1 hit station. Have you seen the music video for Anne Marie and Doja Cat's new one, To Be Young? They both look so good, if I do say so. Which is up next.
Before you take part in any contest on Hits or on any of our platforms, or if you want to get in touch with us via WhatsApp, please check the Hits website to check our privacy notice and terms and conditions. By taking part or WhatsApping Hits, you are deemed to have read and agreed to our privacy notice and T&C. Unlimited music, unlimited movies, unlimited socials, unlimited calls, unlimited everything. There are no limits with the new truly unlimited prepaid from Celcom X-Packs. Enjoy unlimited internet and calls on the widest network from 12 ringgit and stand a chance to be among 20 winners of a year's worth of free groceries. Promo ends July 31st. Hits Drive with Celcom X-Packs. What you waiting for? Switch now to truly unlimited prepaid from Celcom X-Packs and stand a chance to win 1 year free groceries. Visit celcom.com.my/xpacks.
Hey honey, I'll
favorite technology and home furnishing store, Harvey Norman, is having their famous massive markdown sale.
What does this mean, darling?
Honey, we can save more with all the things we love to buy for our home.
Awesome! And their range of large screen TVs, cooking and home appliances, notebooks, smartphones, home office equipment, furniture and bedding products is simply huge!
Yes, honey, and we can pay with up to 36 months interest-free installments with no extra charges.
Massive markdown sale now on at Harvey Norman IPC flagship store in all Harvey Norman stores or shop online at harveynorman.com.my.
Attention all, mark your calendar for 5-day Sogo Members Day sale. Happening on 22nd till 26th July. Enjoy additional rewards points, irresistible savings on exclusive deals, extra coupons with purchase of cosmetics or fragrances, and more. Sign up for free membership via the My Sogo app or visit us at Sogo Kuala Lumpur, Sogo Central iCity Shah Alam, and Sogo The Mall Mid-Valley South Key Johor Bahru. All necessary health and safety measures have been put in place to ensure a safe shopping environment. See you at Sogo this 22nd till 26th July. Terms apply.
Hey, Jom, let's have chicken today. You buying? Sure. There's a buy one, free one promo today. How did you know? I heard it on the radio lah. According to a recent GfK survey, 69% of respondents claim that radio advertisements are memorable, while 73% agree that radio advertisements remind them to search for the product or service when they're shopping online. Advertise with us. Enjoy savings of up to 50% with the Astro SME package. Click on the inquiries button at astroradio.com.my and we'll get in touch.
Papa, who will take care of me if something bad happens?
I will, of course.
And who takes care of you if something bad happens?
Insurance does.
But if something bad happens to the insurer, who takes care of them?
PIDM takes care of our insurance benefit. PIDM is the government authority that protects your Takaful and insurance benefits of up to 500,000 ringgit if an insurer member goes bankrupt. It's automatic. No sign-ups, no fees. Find out more at pidm.gov.my.
Remember the IDM, remember protection.
Hey there, and remember, every time you don't observe social distance, the coronavirus be like... Every time you touch a surface and then touch your face, the virus be like... And every time you gather with large groups of people, you know what happens. Don't let coronavirus win. The fight is not over, so keep your hands clean, don't touch your face, and avoid large crowds. Together, we will win. Kids Cares.
Watson's most wanted sale with buy one, free one on over 600 items. Visit Watson's store or online today. Terms apply. Malaysia's #1 hit station. Hits.
JB 97.6.
feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be bumping like a rock star. When we call up on no, they show up in them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. I've been in the hills, superstars feeling like a pop star. Drinking Henny bad, jumping in the pool and they ain't got on no hit her front or back, pulling on the tracks and now she screaming out no more. They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 6 cars? I ain't with the cake and how you kiss that. Your wifey say I'm looking like a whole snap. 300s in my safe, I got old racks. It's always asking what I'm get. Living like a rock star, smash out on a cop car, sweeter than a pop tart. You know you are not hard, I made a high chart. Remember I used to chop hard, living like a rock star, living like a rock star. I've been popping, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always bump like a rock star. When we call up on no, you show up in them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta.
Well, you see, robot dogs are cool and all that, but I...
Need it bad, take it, own it, steal it fast. What's the plan? Grab my ass. Do shut it, save it, keep it, push it while you beat it. Run the bush and knowing you want all this woman. All of them saying I have you with me. All of my saying you had committed. Really to anybody you had them ready. All of that body, I need out.
Lying that you love me, and I miss you. Saying that you're sorry. I know that I'm better off alone. Maybe I'm a fool 'cause I can't let go. I miss you. Lying that you love me. Won't you say it again and again and again? I don't need to call you anymore, they say. I'm trying to fill the empty space with anything else. 'Cause I was too in love with your flaws on the sides, Mr. Mo. Maybe I was under your spell. Oh yeah, shot us down, started war, killed us off, wanted more. Said I never need you again. I said I never need you again. But I miss you. Lying that you love me, and I miss you. Saying that you're sorry. No, 'cause I know that I'm better off alone. Maybe I'm a fool 'cause I can't let go. I miss you. Lying that you love me. Won't you say it again and again and again and again and again and again? I was too in love with your flaws on the sides, Mr. Mo. Maybe I was under your spell.